In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to access the screen capture facility known as Screenshot within OS X. First off, this is only available on Apple computers that are using Mac OS X 10.14 onwards, commonly known as Mojave. If you are unsure what version of operating system you are running, you can click the Apple icon and then click About this Mac. Here you can see I'm running 10.15.3, so I'm good to go. Screenshot can be found in the utility folder within the applications folder. Here I will open a new Finder window, click on applications, scroll to the bottom and open the utilities folder. In here you will see Screenshot. To make it easier to access, it is worthwhile clicking and dragging the Screenshot application onto the dock, as I've already done. This will keep Screenshot permanently accessible and easy to find. I'm currently using Screenshot to record this video, so I can't open it again. Instead, I'll show you a screenshot of what the Screenshot toolbar looks like. Screenshot offers two types of capturing function: screen capturing as an image file and screen capturing as a video file. The image file capturing you are offered is to capture the entire screen, a selected window, a selected portion of the screen. The screen video capturing offers you the entire screen, which is what I'm using right now, or selected portion of the screen. Furthermore, with screen recording, it allows you to record the mouse clicks and record audio from the microphone. Simply access the options and have the selected features you want. Screen recording is a really simple tool to use when you want to record a lesson or tutorial as a resource, which can then be uploaded and shared. If you have found this video helpful, please do share this on. Thanks for watching.